Okay, today I'll be cutting and styling my daughter's hair. Alright guys, so to do the coloring, I've mixed up some of this already, but it wasn't enough, and yes, it works. So I'm using baking soda because I've run out of the things to use. Baking soda along with some volume 40. Okay, so alright, so as you can see, it's worked, but the entire head, I did not do the entire hair as I should have because I was not sure that it was going to work. So now that I see that it's working how I want it to, then I'm going to do the entire head. Alright, so I get my foil paper, I put the hair on it, and you use a brush for this, but because I have the broad side of the comb, I just use the comb and done. Just want to make sure that it gets, the hair gets enough. So gets enough, and the foil over it, and yeah. Alright guys, so this is the hair after I've washed it. So as you can see, the color is looking like honey gold, but all that is there is just the bleach. The hair has not been rinsed. So this is how we're going to work with it for now. Alright guys, so for this section I'm just doing a regular wash and go, and what I'm using is water as usual and some hair gel, just the regular styling gel, the white one. Alright, so there are no products in our hair at this moment, just water. So stay tuned to see the final look. So as you can see here, I am just raking my fingers through the hair until the curls form the way how I want them to form. Okay, so you have to make sure that the hair is properly saturated with water and you're using enough gel. So I am just going to speed up the rest of the video until we get to the top. So what I'm spraying here is just some good old water. Alright, so we're now on the final piece of hair. So you will soon see what the entire hair looks like. So this is the final look, guys, and as you can see, she is loving it. So yeah, I'm gonna allow her to go and do her edges because she basically does it a specific way that she likes it. So I'm gonna allow her to do that herself. Yeah, but this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this hairdo, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thank you guys.